Now, a flashpoint is once again threatening the global oil supply chains. As Israel intensifies its strikes on Iran, Tehran has responded with a familiar and dangerous warning. The potential closure of the Strait of Hormuz, this narrow waterway may be just 33 kilometers wide, but it carries over a fifth of the world's oil and a third of global LNG. So how serious is Iran's threat? What is at stake for global powers? And could the world's most critical energy route really be sealed off? Here's a report.
Iran's threat to close the Strait of Hormuz has reignited global tensions around energy supply chains. While Israel-Iran tensions escalate, a closure of this key oil supply route could disrupt global markets like never before. Responding to Israeli strikes, Iran has repeated its threat to close this key oil route. With oil prices already climbing, the region braces for fallout that may ripple far beyond the Gulf. The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow waterway between Iran and Oman, just 33 kilometers wide at its narrowest, yet it handles roughly 21 million barrels of oil per day, or 21% of global oil trade. It also transports one-third of the world's liquefied natural gas. Most crude from OPEC giants like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, and the UAE passes through this route primarily destined for Asia. In the past, Iran has used threats to close the strait as a bargaining chip but has never followed through fully. Even during the 1980s tanker war, when over 450 vessels were attacked. Today, nations like Saudi Arabia and the UAE have partial alternatives via pipelines to the Red Sea and the Gulf of Oman, but the world still depends heavily on this vital route. If Iran attempts to block the Strait of Hormuz, the global economy would face immediate shockwaves. Oil prices have already surged. Brent crude hit a 5-month high. An analyst warned of a possible jump beyond $100 if disruption occurs. The US relies less on Gulf oil, sourcing most of its crude from Canada. But China, India, Japan, and South Korea are deeply dependent on Gulf energy. Ironically, Israel would face no direct impact from a blockade. It imports its oil via the Mediterranean. And Iran? A full closure would hurt its own economy, cutting off its main oil customer, China, which buys over 90% of Iranian crude, often via unofficial channels. In short, any disruption may backfire. But in the current climate, even the threat is enough to shake global markets. Business Bureau, WION World is One.